Why don't Forex traders have hobbies? Because they're always trying to find the perfect pair. Now, isn't that a fun way to kick things off? Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of Forex trading. Did you know that Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the largest financial market globally? Well, sit tight because that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now that we've broken the ice with a chuckle, let's dive into the world of Forex trading. Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, is a global market where people trade currencies against each other. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about it? Well, imagine a vast, bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits, veggies, or clothes, the commodities here are currencies. Dollars, euros, yen, you name it. You see, every currency has its own value, and these values fluctuate based on a variety of factors like economic indicators, geopolitical events, or even weather patterns. Forex traders like you and me try to predict these fluctuations, buying currencies when they're low and selling when they're high. The Forex market is truly global, operating 24/7, and it's the largest financial market in the world, dwarfing even the stock market. There's no central exchange building where transactions take place. Instead, everything happens over the counter, through networks of banks, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a bit of starting capital. But don't be fooled by the simplicity of the concept. Forex trading requires strategy, patience, and a keen understanding of the market. It's a bit like playing chess with the world's economies. You're trying to anticipate moves, counter them, and ultimately checkmate your way to profit. Forex trading is not just about currency exchange, but it's also about seizing opportunities. Now, how do you get started? The first step into the world of Forex trading is education. Think of it as learning the rules of the road before you start driving. You wouldn't want to hop into a car without knowing the difference between the gas and brake pedal, would you? So why would you dive into the Forex market without understanding its basic principles? The Forex market is a global, decentralized market for the trading of currencies. It's like a non-stop money supermarket where currencies are bought and sold in pairs. And trust me, it has its own language. So familiarize yourself with Forex terminologies like pips, lots, leverage, and margin. Also, don't forget about graphs and indicators. They are your roadmaps in this journey. They can show you trends, the general direction in which a price or investment is moving. Remember, every successful trader started as a beginner who took the time to understand these basics. Knowledge is power, especially in Forex trading, so equip yourself before you step onto the battlefield. The second step is to choose the right Forex broker. This step is crucial, as your broker is your gateway to the markets. A reliable, licensed, and suitable Forex broker can be the difference between success and failure in Forex trading. So, what should you look for in a broker? First and foremost, check their licensing and regulation. A broker regulated by a reputable authority offers a higher level of security. Next, consider the broker's trading platform. Is it user-friendly? Does it offer the tools and features you need? Also, take into account the available customer support. Can you reach them when you need to? Are they helpful and competent? Finally, look at the broker's fees and spreads. Are they competitive? Are there any hidden charges? Choosing the right broker isn't just about finding the cheapest or the one with the most features. It's about finding a broker who can provide the best overall experience for your trading needs. Remember, a good broker is your ally in the Forex market. The third step is to open a Forex trading account. Now that you've gained a basic understanding of Forex and you've chosen your trading strategy, it's time to take the next step. Opening a Forex trading account is like setting up a gateway to the world of currency exchange. It's your personal interface to the global market, and it's where all your trades will take place. There are several types of Forex trading accounts you can consider, each with its own set of features and benefits. For beginners, a mini account is often recommended. These accounts allow you to trade with smaller amounts of money, reducing the risk while you get the hang of things. Then there are standard accounts for more experienced traders. These accounts typically require a higher initial deposit, but allow for more significant trades. If you're feeling particularly adventurous and have some hefty capital to back you up, you might even consider a VIP account. These accounts offer added perks like personal account managers and more favorable spreads. However, regardless of the account type you choose, there's a universal step that every beginner should take before diving into live trading. That is setting up a demo account. A demo account is essentially a practice account with virtual money. It mirrors the real Forex market, allowing you to trade without any real financial risk. The currency rates are live, The tools are the same, but the money is imaginary. It's an excellent way to get accustomed to the platform, try out different strategies, and understand the market dynamics without the fear of losing money. Opening a demo account is generally a straightforward process. Most Forex brokers offer free demo accounts, and all you'll need to do is register with your details. Once your account is ready, you can start trading with your virtual money. Remember, the purpose of a demo account is to learn and practice. It's like a flight simulator for pilots. It's where you get to make your mistakes and learn from them without crashing a real plane. A demo account is your playground. Practice here before you dive into the real market. The fourth step is to analyze the Forex market. Now, this might sound intense, but it's really just about understanding the forces that drive currency prices. You see, the Forex market is like a big, complicated machine with lots of moving parts. And just like any machine, it behaves in predictable ways once you understand how those parts interact. There are two main types of market analysis that traders generally use: fundamental and technical. Let's break them down. Fundamental analysis is all about the big picture. It's looking at the economic, social, and political forces that may affect supply and demand for a particular currency. For example, if a country's economy is doing well, it's likely that their currency will strengthen. On the other hand, political instability can weaken a currency. So, as a trader, you need to keep your ear to the ground and stay informed about world events. Technical analysis, on the other hand, is more about the nitty-gritty. It involves studying price charts and using statistical measures to predict future price movements. This might sound a bit daunting, but don't worry. There are plenty of tools out there to help you, from simple trend lines to complex indicators. It's like a weather forecast for the Forex market. Just remember, while it can be quite accurate, it's not a crystal ball. So, how do you use these two types of analysis to make trading decisions? Well, that's where your trading strategy comes in. Some traders might focus more on fundamental analysis, while others lean towards technical. There's no one-size-fits-all strategy here. It's about finding what works for you, testing your theories, and refining your approach over time. And remember, knowledge is power in Forex trading. The more you understand about the market and its movements, the better your chances of making profitable trades. So keep learning, keep analyzing, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Analysis is your compass. It helps you navigate through the volatile Forex market. Let's wrap up what we've learned today. We've demystified Forex trading, cutting through the jargon to reveal it as a world of opportunity, waiting for those willing to delve in. We've shared the first steps to starting your journey, from the importance of education in understanding the Forex market to the careful selection of a reliable broker. We've touched upon the significance of opening a trading account, a step that brings you closer to the world of trading. We've also underscored the crucial role of market analysis, which offers insights into the market's pulse and aids in making informed decisions. So there you have it, an essential guide to starting your Forex trading journey. Remember, it's a journey that requires patience and perseverance. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. Forex trading may seem complex, but with the right education, broker, practice, and analysis, you can master it. Happy trading!